Hi everyone, this is Relax Unknown, and in this video we are going to add a shine in her eyes in just 1 minute or less. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and choose the curves. And take it up and press Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask and zoom, and white as a foreground color. Take a soft round brush, white as a foreground color, and dab once. Similar to the second eye, and remove the extras. And decrease the opacity according to your like. For me it's about 25% will be okay. Here is the before, here is the after. Her eyes looks fantastic. Thank you for watching. Share this video if you like.